Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Venky's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform to prepare for your IAS, IPS and other competitive exams. We provide competitive questions with the latest edition. You will be given 10 seconds to choose the right answer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Lake Winnipeg is located in which of the following countries? A. Japan, B. Russia, C. Canada, D. Brazil. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Canada. Question number 2. Which of the following rocks are known as primary rocks? A. Igneous rocks, B. Metamorphic rocks, C. Sedimentary rocks, D. None of the above. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Igneous rocks. Question number 3. Which among the following referred to crucial states? A. United Arab Emirates, B. Central African countries, C. United States of America, D. Caribbean countries. Your time starts now. Right answer is A. United Arab Emirates. Question number 4. Which islands form the part of the southern end of Maritime Southeast Asia? A. Rhodes Island, B. Malta Island, C. Sardinia Island, D. Timor Islands. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Timor Islands. Question number 5. Which of the following gulf is the northernmost border of the Pacific Ocean? A. Gulf of Alaska, B. Persian Gulf, C. Gulf of Bahrain, D. Gulf of Mexico. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Gulf of Alaska. Question number 6. Which one of the following is a west coast beach in India? A. Juhu Beach, B. Golden Beach, C. Marina Beach, D. Henry Island Beach. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Juhu Beach. Question number 7. Which is the longest river in Asia? A. Yellow River, B. Ganges River, C. Yangtze River, D. Yamuna River. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Yangtze River. Question number 8. Which of the following device is used to measure the diameter of stars? A. Viscometer, B. Photometer, C. Interferometer, D. Barometer. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Interferometer. Question number 9. Which scale estimates the amount of energy released at the source of the earthquake? A. Marcelli scale, B. Richter scale, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A and B. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Richter scale. Question number 10. The Great Bear Lake is situated in which among the following countries? A. United States, B. Australia, C. Canada, D. Iceland. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Canada. Question number 11. Which among the following are the leading producers of iron ore in the world? A. Russia, B. India, C. Brazil, D. All of them. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. All of them. Question number 12. Which among the following are called the lifelines of an economy? A. Banking and payment systems, B. Banking and transportation systems. C. Means of transport and communication systems. D. Minerals and banking system. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Means of transport and communication systems. Question number 13. Which of the following European countries is known as the land of thousand lakes? A. Estonia. B. Finland. C. Sweden. D. Norway. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Finland. Question number 14. 180-degree longitude is also known as A. Arctic Circle. B. International Dateline. C. The Great Circle. D. Equator. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. International Dateline. Question number 15. Forbidden City is located in which of the following countries? A. Japan. B. Korea. C. Italy. D. China. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. China. Question number 16. The color of a star indicates its A. Distance. B. Luminosity. C. Mass. D. Temperature. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Temperature. Question number 17. What is the general distribution of winds in the lower atmosphere called? A. Lu. B. Jet streams. C. Planetary winds. D. Cyclones. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Planetary winds. Question number 18. In which among the following continents is the oceanic climate dominant? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. North America. D. Asia. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Europe. Question number 19. Which country accounts for the largest share in the world export of manufactures? A. Russia. B. USA. C. France. D. Germany. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. USA. Question number 20. Which among the following coastal cities is also known as the Big Easy? A. Istanbul. B. New Orleans. C. Miami. D. Venice. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. New Orleans. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you got some insights on how to prepare yourself for the UPSC, IAS and other civil services examination. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.